Recovery in most self-custodial wallets depends on a single seed phrase. Lose it, and access is gone forever. Bron solves this with Guardians, a secure recovery layer built into the wallet. Guardians can be trusted people. They have no access to your assets, do not see transactions, hold no keys, and can't initiate a recovery without you. They exist only to help you restore your account if needed. Each Guardian activates their own Bron account, which is free of charge, and becomes available after a 48-hour security delay, a protection window that prevents newly added Guardians from being used immediately. If you lose access or replace a device, start recovery in the Bron app. Your two Guardians confirm your identity by generating recovery codes, which you then enter in the app. A 48-hour safety period begins, giving you time to cancel if the request wasn't legitimate. After the delay, Bron and the trusted third party rebuild your MPC shards, restoring access with the same addresses. No password resets, just verified recovery through people you trust. Bron. Effortless recovery.